Here we have a 2018 68 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now, this vehicle does come with over £5,300 worth of optional extras. We have 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue Intersport brake calipers just behind. We have your LED headlights with your black front kitty grills, full M Sport styling kit, so you get a black front splitter, side skirt extensions, and also a rear diffuser. We have your black window trim with your privacy glass on the rear, continuing the black out styling. We have your front and rear parking sensor with a visual display, dual exit exhaust flush of the rear bumper, and also the rear diffuser. Now, this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. You have your eDrive badging on the back above the fuel cap. Now, if you notice when I was over on this side, you do have the electrical hookup just there on the front left hand side wing. Now, if I go to the rear of the car, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Just need to unlock it first. As you can see, we do have the full leather seats throughout. You can see the ambient lighting poking through. We have the white accents in the seats, ISOFIX points, and armrest, pull-down armrest, and storage panel passenger on the driver's seat. BMW individual trim with your large speaker, which is the Harman Kardon premium sound system. Ambient lighting there as well. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now, both driver and passenger are fully heated electric and have the extended thigh support. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, again BMW individual trim, ambient lighting, integrated Harman Kardon loudspeaker, auto lights just down there. Foot on the brake, you have keyless start from a touch of a button. Being a hybrid, that is now on, so you won't hear anything until the engine kicks in. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode, and as you can see, this vehicle has done just over 41,100 miles. It is free from any more lights on the dashboard. We have your screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. We have your media connectivity via DAB radio. You also have your music collection, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. And you also have your Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Going to home, you have all these different settings just there as well. Pop it into reverse, front and rear parking sensor with visual display. And you do get your different drive modes. So you do get your Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport with individual. Dual zone climate control just down here with 2 heated front seats. Very nice features to have. Ice cold aircon. Again, the BMW individual trim. Pop this open, you have your USB, big storage tray, you have ambient lighting, 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity. This is what you use to control everything else on your screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. Electric parking brake with auto hold, different drive modes, eDrive settings, soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath, and there's a look at the passenger's front seat with the extended thigh support. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today, free content nationwide next day delivery. HPI clear comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.